The Simpson hrilhlawkna chungchang video hi YouTube lamah mizo tawng pani lo en tawh mai thei a amai rawh chu he video hi chuan hrilhlawkna thengdik chungchang ni lovin hemi TV show siamcchuaktu te hian hrilhlawkna dik siam tura idea an nei dan chungchang video ani dawna a hrilhlawkna thengdik ho zungzung an siam dan rawh soina hmana awm dawn lo awangin a changpui chauh an sawi anga hetiang taka tam hrilhlawkna thengdik na chu an siam chhuah dan hrichak tak pawh an tama nangni pawh in hriat chakarin awangin a siamcchuaktu te hrilhlawkna chungchang an zawha an chan dan thenkhat kan hlir ho le dawn ani. Mihring heti zat chena khawela hian thilmak le hria thiam thei lo hi chu a khat tawkin a thleng deuh renga chungzinga pakhat chu animation cartoonist lam thiam Matt Groening an kumsang khazukua somriat pakua a TV show a siam chuatak The Simpson si ani a he show hi a hmuhnom le hmuhnom lo chu thusan ni se an hrilhlawkna thengdik ta awang hian mi soi a titamin makti a hlo em a voi hnih khat thengdik pa chu thusan ni se lo thengdik molmol hi chu rap thak lama akal ma to zoka an hrilhlawkna lo thengdik ta tam tak awang hian a hma ain an lar pha ba ka thlir tu po an ron pung chho zela thenkhat te phei chu an hrilhlawkna tak anganga in mahun lo hriat lawkna na he show a lo in ngat bur te po anom vele zela ma se he show siamcchuaktu te hi nang le ke yang thowa mihring pa ngai ve mei an ni sia khoi atangin nge he tiang hrilhlawkna idea hi an nei thei bik doilam thil emo ramhoi ne na inkum kaina nei te hi an ni thei mai angem engpo chu ni se kha chu ingei dana lo in hat phot se The Simpson producer te an komna toy te hi I han thlir ho photira.
We're not predicting the future, but if we are, I mean, clearly there's some.
I mean, the evidence is there.
It's booga, clearly, yeah.
Well, we take the most unlikely, ridiculous, stupid, impossible, never will happen joke, and then turns out that our imaginations are not that imaginative.
I think that if you have a bunch of people who are smart, who are trying to predict the future, if you throw enough darts hit the dartboard. And most of the things I can just say, Trump actually, for example, was talking about running for president in 1999. He wasn't the most ridiculous celebrity to forecast as a president. And we had a few things like that. And like Lady Gaga, people said, oh, you predicted her Super Bowl show. Well, that's because we copied her show for our show, and then she did that show. So it's sort of like she stole our show that stole her show. You know, that's how it happens.
You know, I guess if you just, every joke you make is what's the worst possible thing that could happen, eventually one of those things is going to come true, and it did. Oops.